All right, working on our next project for tonight. We're going to be mounting the intercooler, and you can see that the tabs that originally came on there, we cut those off to locate them in a different spot. And the reason that is the where they previously were didn't line up with the access holes, and they were also too far forward, and we wanted to locate them so they mounted more in the center. So the tricky part is figuring out where to drill the holes in this cross member to put the bolts in from the bottom side. So we're going to work on locating that, and we'll just show you what we're doing there, and in case anybody has to do this in the future. Alright, so we've got our intercooler just kind of mocked up on there right now, and you can see the where the tabs locate in the center of the access hole, and same thing on that side. I said tabs, I meant bungs. So we've got to figure out, how to get the hole drilled so that so that the bolt can come up through there and bolt in. So we're going to raise up the intercooler on both sides and sit a washer just underneath the bung. And then what we'll do is remove the intercooler real carefully and leave the washers intact, and then use the washers as a guide to draw a line and drill from there. So we'll do that now. Okay, we've got our washers in the correct place now. We're just going to draw some marks so that we can drill it in the correct place, and we'll go ahead and get it drilled out. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take a center punch and a hammer and put a little starter punch so the drill bit locates in the correct spot, because we want to get this dead center. Alright, now we've got our step bit, or unit bit as some people call it. So we're just going to drill the hole. Alright, we've got the two holes drilled, and we should be able to bolt it in place. Alright, well, we've got our holes drilled, and you can't really see them, but bolts in each of the access holes, bolting the intercooler in place from underneath, so it's held securely there. And then up top we've got the brackets and straps that we made last week. So this thing is very securely mounted, and making more progress, trying to get everything done that requires drilling, grinding, fabricating, welding, so that we can move on to paint. So got this one down. We'll keep moving forward.